Welcome to GK at Tamosri. Which is called the lungs of the earth? A. Nile River. B. Mount Everest. C. Amazon rainforest. D. Sahara Desert. C. Amazon rainforest because it produces oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide. This process is vital for life on earth. It is located in South America, spanning 9 countries. It is the world's largest tropical rainforest covering an estimated 5.5 million square kilometers, and Brazil contains largest portion of the rainforest, followed by Peru and Colombia. Bullet train was first started in which country? A. Japan, B. Bhutan, C. Nepal, D. Russia. Japan. The first bullet train or high-speed rail system began operating in Japan in 1964, connected Tokyo and Osaka. What is the currency of Russia? A. Rupee, B. Dollar, C. Euro, D. Ruble. D. Ruble. The Russian ruble is the official currency of Russia. Its currency code is RUB. The current value of 1 ruble is equal to 0.97 Indian rupee. What is the national sport of Japan? A. Baseball, B. Sumo wrestling, C. Hockey, D. Martial arts. B. Sumo wrestling. It's Japan national sport. It's a full of contact wrestling discipline that originated in Japan. It has history over 1500 years. Sumo wrestling called Rikishi and the ring called Dokyo. It is made up of clay and covered with sand. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? A. Pacific Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. C. Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle is located in the western part of Northern Atlantic Ocean. It is also known as Devil's Triangle. London is situated on the bank of which river? A. Danube, B. Thames, C. Colorado, D. Seine. B. Thames. London is situated on the bank of River Thames in southern East England. The Thames is the longest river on England and the second longest river in the United Kingdom. What was the old name of Netherlands? A. Holland, B. Ceylon, C. Persia, D. Siam. Holland. The Dutch government has decided to stop describing itself as Holland and will instead use only the real name of Netherlands, and it can be updated globally in 2019. Who is known as the father of English poetry? A. John Milton, B. Geoffrey Chaucer, C. Edmund Spenser, D. William Wordsworth. Geoffrey Chaucer is known as the father of English poetry. He was an English poet, author and civil servant who lived from around 1343 to 1400. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Ganga River, B. Nile River, C. Amazon River, D. Congo River. A. Nile River. It is also called the father of African river. It flows over 6,800 kilometers from its source in Lake Victoria and emptying to Mediterranean Sea. What is the fear of height is called? A. Hydrophobia, B. Cynophobia, C. Acrophobia, D. Hemophobia. C. Acrophobia. The fear of height is called acrophobia. It is a mental health condition and the type of anxiety disorder. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? A. India, B. Colombia, C. Indonesia, D. Brazil. B. Brazil is the world's largest coffee producer. It has held this position over 150 years. Which country was the first to invent paper? A. China, B. France, C. England, D. America. A. China was the first country to invent paper around 2nd century BCE. A Chinese court official named Cylon is credited with inventing the paper making process. Which continent is known as Dark Continent? A. Asia, B. Europe, C. Africa, D. Oceania. C. Africa was called the dwarf continent because the continent landscape and culture were largely unknown to many outsiders, and also Africa's hot and humid climate, high plateau region, and lack of natural harbor made it difficult for foreigners to explore. Which continent is known as the White Continent? A. Antarctica, B. Asia, C. Europe, D. South America. A. Antarctica is known as White Continent because its vast ice sheet and snow-covered landscape. It is the fifth largest continent in the world and it is located in the southern hemisphere. Which is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Pacific Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. A. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth. It is also deepest ocean. It covers more than 30% of Earth's surface. It is the largest landmass all over continent combined. It contains more than half of the free water on Earth, and also the average depth is approximately 13,000 feet. When was the Google first launched in the world? A. 1995, B. 1996, C. 1997, D. 1998. B. 1998. Google was founded on 4th September 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Page and Brin developed a search algorithm called Backrub in 1996. After receiving funding from an investor in 1997, Backrub became Google. Google's initial IPO offering was 19th August 2004. The company quickly became one of the world's largest media companies. Google's headquarters are Mount View, California. Which metal is called the metal of future? A. Copper, B. Titanium, C. Aluminum, D. Iron. B. Titanium is often referred as the metal of future due to its unique combination of strength, lightness and corrosion resistance make it highly versatile for various applications. The gas which smells like rotten egg. A. Hydrogen sulfide, B. Sulfuric acid, C. Methane, D. Hydrogen chloride. A. Hydrogen sulfide is a colorless, flameless gas that easily recognized by its characteristics pungent odor that resembles rotten eggs, especially at low concentration. The symbol is H2S. Which gas is used on aeroplane tires? A. Nitrogen, B. Helium, C. Neon, D. Hydrogen. A. Nitrogen. Aeroplane tires are typically inflated with nitrogen gas, not air, to minimize expansion and contraction due to temperature changes and prevent potential fire caused by moisture and combustion. Which is the heaviest metal found on the earth? A. Platinum, B. Silver, C. Gold, D. Osmium. D. Osmium is the heaviest metal on the earth. It has highest density of any metal, around 22 grams per cubic centimeter. Answer for last video was Uttarakhand. The river Ganga originated as the Bhagirathi rise in the Gangotri Glacier of the Western Himalayas, specifically in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. The video is available on icon. Which organ helps to purify the blood in human body? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.